What's up guys, now in today's video we are going to learn how to take drone shots like you see here, but not with a drone, with our phone. Drones are very expensive, and so you may not have all the money to buy a drone for now, but then you may need such shots for b-rolls or for your content creation. I discovered this idea when I was shooting a video for my friend. We didn't have a drone, so I just came up with this technique to be able to have drone shots. I would want you to note that the device that I used in this video is an iPhone 10, and therefore was for demonstration purposes only.
We are going to take a drone shot but without a drone. All right, so you need this. I don't know if you've seen this. It's a tripod holder. All right, so adjustable so that you can fix your phone in there, and then it has this pointed thing here, so you can just fix it on your tripod. If you have a tripod, just make sure you open it up to the full length, and then first thing, you are going to put this on the tripod this way and scroll it. Make sure it's very hard, and then make sure you've tightened everything here and that it's firm, because you don't want to crash your phone. Guys, who wants to crash their phone? So just make sure that everything is well tightened up. I'm going to screw this a bit more harder. All right, everything is tightened up. All right, so we are good to go. What we have to do is to turn on our camera. If you want to get a very good effect, make sure that you are on the ultra wide mode, but you can also use the wide angle lens. But if you want to have a real better shots, make sure that you are using the ultra wide.
Now, for those of you who are not very conversant with wide shots, ultra wide shots, I'm just going to demonstrate it here for you to see. This is my Samsung Galaxy S10, and so where you have the one time is just the wide angle lens. Okay, so it just allows you to take wide angles. Now where you have the 0.5 is the ultra wide. Okay, so did you see what just happened? It has spread so that I can take a lot of things around me. But this is the normal camera that every phone has, but with the ultra wide, it allows you to take a lot of stuff, and this really helps for the purpose of using your phone to take such videos.
So just fix your phone right here, and guys, this is where the magic happens. Just lift this thing up. You don't have to be as tall as me, but you can still do it. So just lift this thing up and up and up and up and up, and make sure you are holding the last end over here, this part, this way, so you can have it more up. All right, and just move it slowly. Just move it slowly around. Okay, just move it slowly around this way. Move it slowly around like the way I'm doing it. Move it slowly all around. As soon as you are done, just bring your thing down. Of course, you can edit and cut that part out. Okay, so that's it on the screen that you are seeing. This is what we just took. And guys, if you like this video, just like it and share with your friends, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed, so that I can bring you more videos like this. Thanks for watching. I'm out.